Hi, welcome to TunesKit. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 6 tips for AirDrop not working on iPhone. Before you start, one thing you must know is that AirDrop is only supported on iOS 7 or newer, so please update iPhone first. Here are 6 tips for this AirDrop error on your iPhone. Tip 1. Check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. To use AirDrop, you need to use the Wi-Fi, and check if the Bluetooth is open. Just open the settings, choose the Wi-Fi and open it. When the Wi-Fi is connected, choose the Bluetooth option and turn it on. Tip 2. Choose a proper AirDrop mode. There are 3 modes in AirDrop. If you choose the contacts only option, sometimes you will find iPhone AirDrop cannot work normally. So just choose the Everyone mode here. You can also go to the settings, click General, AirDrop, and choose the Everyone mode here. Tip 3. Keep iPhone awake and unlocked. When you use the AirDrop, you also need to keep your iPhone awake and unlocked to make this transfer smooth. Tip 4. Disable Do Not Disturb. If you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, please to disable it, just open the focus, click the Do Not Disturb, and turn it off, so you can avoid iPhone AirDrop not working. Tip 5. Use an iOS system repair tool. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer. Launch TunesKit iOS System Recovery, and connect your iPhone to computer, then click the Start button. Next, choose the Standard mode, then click the Next button. Step 2. Download firmware package. Ensure the given information is corresponding to your device, then download the firmware package. Step 3. Repair iPhone AirDrop not working. When the download is complete, click the Repair. The TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Just wait until it tells you the repair is finished. Tip 6. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can also fix iPhone AirDrop not working. Just choose the General, click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, choose the Reset network settings. After that, you can try to use AirDrop again. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.